So you can just eat a few of these flowers and it will have a stimulant effect on your digestion, which is fantastic for this time of year because of the seasonal effects on digestion. Technically, nasturtiums aren't actually nasturtiums. They're a member of the Tropaeolum genus, which is the only representative of the Tropaeolaceae family. They're from Central and South America. That's where they're indigenous. And even though they're not directly related to nasturtium and are called nasturtium, they do share a common origin in that they arise from the Brassicales order, so same as cruciferous vegetables. And so they've got some similar properties. They all produce this secondary plant metabolite called glucosinolate. It's an organosulfur compound that can then be converted into a number of other different types of compounds that have been shown to have lots of different benefits in human health, have free radical scavenging, antioxidant properties, help the body to detoxify from xenobiotic compounds like environmental estrogens. So they have a lot of benefits. Now, I like them because they have that peppery, spicy flavor, which I kind of like. You can eat the greens for this purpose, and the flowers as well. The flowers are entirely edible. And then, of course, the immature seeds here, this is where we get capers. So you can pickle them and make your own capers. So in Ayurveda, there's a term that we use called dipana. Dipana means to stimulate the digestive fire. And, for years I've sort of struggled with digestive problems, something since I was a little kid I've had to deal with, in part constitutional, in part just, kind of foods I was raised on. And, this time of year when it's cold, wet, and damp, it has a really adverse effect on digestive function. Digestion doesn't tend to do well in this type of environment of high humidity and low pressure. And so I really appreciate the fact that these plants are still pumping out flowers, which I like to munch on. And I'll describe as having a dipana property. Dipana means to stimulate the digestive fire.